My dear brothers and sisters, we all know Jesus came in the world with a particular mission, and that was to make humans whole, to heal them both physically and spiritually of all their ailments. And today we see one of those instances where Jesus heals a person both physically and spiritually. The account that we heard is from St. Luke, healing of a blind man. The same account is given by Matthew, who speaks about there were two blind men. And Mark says there's only one blind man and gives the name Bartimaeus. But Luke has no so-called such details. This account we have heard time and again about Jesus healing a blind person. What do we learn from this? Number of things. First of all, Jesus came to heal us both physically and spiritually. Here we see this blind man is first healed spiritually. He is able to see when he hears that a man from Nazareth is passing by. The Jews saw Jesus as a man from Nazareth with their outer eyes. But this man saw, though blind, saw Jesus of Nazareth as a son of David, recognizing that this person is just not an ordinary person, but a descendant from David and the Messiah. Now, who gave him this gift? God himself. The gift to see that in this man, though he cannot see physically, is not an ordinary person, but a son of God himself. At times, when you look at people, how do we look with our eyes? We look at them as they appear or as what they do. But do we look at them with the inner eyes of our heart? A question to ask ourselves. The second thing we learn is Jesus respects this man's freedom. When Jesus asks him, what do you want? The man could be wanting anything. The lot of beggars and people are blind and deaf. Jesus passed by many of them. And Jesus gave them only what they asked. Not what he wanted, but what they asked. Now this man could ask many things. I'm hungry, give me some food to eat. Or I need some money, please give some money. But this man asked for something. So Jesus respects what his wishes. His wishes that he can see not just interiorly, also exteriorly. Jesus wants to see the world. He wants to see the world which God had created. And Jesus, respecting the freedom, gives him what he wanted. The third thing we can learn from this is perseverance. Never give up. Never give up. We see this man that's been told by the crowd who's accompanying Jesus, stop shouting. The man is on the way to Jerusalem. Stop shouting. But he continues shouting and shouting, Son of David, have mercy on me. Maybe pause a minute and ask ourselves, do we have that persevering faith when things go against us, when things happen in our life which we cannot understand? Do we say, Lord, your will be done? Give us what we need if it is your will. We ask God to give us the deep interior healing that we see the world, humanity as God created, to give us the grace to persevere in what we ask from Him.